Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make crochet chain. So if you are beginner and don't know how to make a chain, so this tutorial is completely for you. So let's get started. Okay, first we make a slip knot. So if you are new and don't know how to make a slip knot, so I already uploaded slip knot video onto my YouTube channel. So first you make a slip knot. Now grab the yarn in between two fingers like this. Make sure the yarn is little bit loose. So insert the hook into the loop like this, and now wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the loop. Wrap the yarn around to the hook and pull through the loop. Wrap the yarn around to the hook and pull to the loop. Wrap the yarn around to the hook and pull to the loop. Again one more time. Wrap the yarn around to the hook and pull to the loop. So you can continue this procedure until you reach out to your desired length. Okay, now if you want to end the chain, so first of all cut the yarn, cut your working yarn. Again wrap the yarn around the hook and pull to the loop and tighten up. So here is your chain video. Thanks for watching.